If you're considering Loomly Analytics for your social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around until the end for a comparison with other platforms and a recommendation for an even better option. First, Loomly is an all-in-one platform that combines social media scheduling and analytics. Unlike competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, Loomly has a straightforward interface that makes it easy for anyone to use, even if you're new to social media management. Next, Loomly stands out with its content calendar feature. This tool allows you to plan and schedule posts across multiple social media platforms in advance. It's especially useful if you manage multiple accounts and want everything organized in one place. The third thing to note is Loomly's analytics dashboard. It provides detailed insights into your social media performance, including engagement metrics like clicks, likes, and shares. But compared to more advanced tools like Sprout Social, some users find the analytics a bit basic. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, pricing. Loomly offers tiered pricing plans based on the number of social profiles and users. While it's competitively priced for small businesses, it may not be the most budget-friendly for larger teams, especially when compared to free tools like Buffer. The fifth thing to consider is Loomly's post-approval workflow. This feature makes it easy to collaborate with team members, ensuring that all posts are approved before going live. This is something competitors like Hootsuite don't offer with the same level of customization. The sixth thing is Loomly's content suggestion feature. It offers ideas for posts based on trends, which can save you time and boost creativity. While this is great for content creators, advanced users might find it a bit limiting compared to platforms that offer deeper trend analysis. The seventh thing is Loomly's integration capabilities. It connects with major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. However, it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as other tools like Buffer, which supports a wider range of applications. Next, Loomly's mobile app allows you to manage your content on the go. It's a solid app for scheduling, but some users feel it lacks the full functionality of the desktop version, especially when it comes to analytics. The ninth thing is the customer support. Loomly offers chat and email support, but it doesn't have the 24/7 live support that you get with some competitors like Sprout Social. The 10th thing to consider is the free trial. Loomly offers a 15-day free trial, which gives you a good sense of the platform's capabilities. However, other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite offer longer trials, which may be an advantage if you're testing multiple platforms. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the limited reporting options. While Loomly gives you basic metrics, it doesn't offer the advanced reporting features that you get with tools like Sprout Social or AgriPulse, which can be a deal breaker for data-driven marketers. Lastly, Loomly's post-scheduling tool is powerful, but it might not be as advanced as the ones in platforms like SocialBee or Planable, which offer more flexibility with recurring posts and variations. Overall, Loomly is a solid choice if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. But if you want a more comprehensive and robust solution, consider checking out our recommended platform that you can try for free.